Hello, this is PEG, popularly known as Prodigy, exclusive company. Today bring to you our 2500 watts capacity solar generator installation in Ibafo, Ogun State, Nigeria. The system is designed to power the basic appliances which are TV ranging from 1 inches to 7 1-inches TV, fridge or freezer, home theater, sewing machine, washing machine, kitchen blender, laptop fans and other low energy consumption appliances. We make delivery before payment within Lagos. Outside Lagos, attract more logistics and installation fee. Kindly send this message in any of our social media platforms at Prodigy Exclusive Company, which are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube, or call WhatsApp on 09-1244-18659. We are always available to send you a message.